You've figured out what you actually want your audience to do. You've narrowed it down to your top 5 messages. You've come up with an interesting story or example for each message. And if you want to, I'm not requiring it, but if you're going to use PowerPoint, you've come up with an image for each one. Now, it's time to give the speech to all your coworkers tomorrow, right? Not yet. There's still time to work out the kinks. If you have a really, really important document or report for a boss or a colleague, do you just type it up once and send it out without spell checking it, editing it, or reviewing it? Probably not. You want to actually look at it and spell check it and make sure it looks good before you hit send. Really no difference when it comes to public speaking. You need to see that your speech is actually good. Now here's the hard part. You're probably thinking of the speech of your text or your PowerPoint deck. That's not your speech. The speech is you literally speaking. Well, how are you going to test that? If we were doing this course 100 years ago, 50 years ago, even 30 years ago, the answer might be, we'll practice in a mirror or something like that. By the way, don't waste your time practicing in front of a mirror. Complete waste of time. Pull out your cell phone or an iPad or a webcam, your laptop, and just practice your speech. Record it. Look at it. Figure out what you like. Figure out what you don't like. Do it again. Do more of what you like. Do less of what you don't like. Now, I know some of you are saying, how can I fast forward? I don't like hearing this. I don't like what TJ's saying. How can I fast forward to the next thing so I can sit back and just read? This really is the biggest part of the course. And it's the biggest differentiator between, are you going to sort of sit back and still tell yourself, oh, I'm a beginner, I'm no good at this, I'm an awful public speaker, or are you going to get over the hump? If you want to get over the hump, you're going to have to pull out the cell phone and actually speak. Watch yourself. Don't do it once and watch yourself and say, oh, I'm awful. The lesson here is I should never watch myself on video. That's the lesson some people take. That's not the lesson. The lesson is look at it, figure out what you like, keep doing it again and again and again. Keep practicing until you think you're coming across, not perfect, but the way you want to come across, and you're coming across the best you can.